Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Some residents of communities in Arochukwu Kingdom of Arochukwu local government area in Abia State have commended the Eze-Aro Designate Prince Eberechukwu Orji for installing solar-powered streetlights and the ongoing construction of a link road with drains on both sides within their community. The excited residents who gave the commendation when our crew visited the communities said the Eze-Aro Designate is a true leader and a game changer the ancient and revered Igbo kingdom needs to develop and compete favorably with its peers in other climes in line with global trends in monarchy. Prince Engineer Eberechukwu Orji, after his emergence as the next Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom in Arochukwu local government area of Abia State in October last year, in line with the customs and tradition of the land, outlined his plans and programs for the kingdom to include the provision of critical social amenities, restoration of the glory and status of the Arochukwu Kingdom at home and abroad, as well as facilitation of developments and innovations for socio-economic gains.
We must raise the profile of the Eze-Aros too. Currently, it's not where it should be. We grew up in the palace during my grandfather's reign. We knew how revered he was, we knew how revered the stool was, and we knew the prominence that the stool carried in Igbo land and in Nigeria. And then we will go into all the other areas of development, make sure that the roads are built, make sure that we've got pipe-borne water. Not political promise, because this is our hometown now. We have to make sure that our hometown is a place that people love to come, people want to come, and people are happy to come.
Making true his words, Prince Orji recently impressed his kinsmen with the installation of over 350 solar-powered streetlights across the 19 villages of the ancient kingdom. It is not in contention that the once respected and popular town now battles with lack of basic amenities that has made life difficult for indigents and residents alike. While navigating through the rough roads is exhausting, the unstable power supply makes late-hour engagements scary and out of the question. Speaking to Inside the Niger Delta recently, the people of Arochukwu Kingdom observed that the lighting job sponsored by the Eze-Aro Designate and installed by Exalted Eagles, a renowned solar power company, has brought them some relief.
Once it's 6 o'clock in the evening, you don't see me outside again. Because of snake, because of darkness, no light. But now, even 10 or 12 o'clock, I'll be going up and down. Because light now enter my house.
And it make everywhere to be bright. It changed the situation of the community entirely. So we are very, very happy.
Another project of Prince Orji is the construction of a link road with drains on both sides around Abagu community in Arochukwu. It was gathered that the road has been in a terrible state for years, becoming a nightmare to both motorists and passers-by. Residents of the area who shared their ordeal using the road in a sorry state are quite happy with the ongoing work.
Since last year, nobody is passing this road, but now, you see how the road is good, even the street light everywhere. So you can even walk without even light along this road now.
He will never lack in his life. Since he remember us, because we have suffered a lot, this road. At times, Okada cannot walk here because the galloping was too much. But these days, hallelujah, these days I'll be coming like with my tips.
The people of Arochukwu are not just excited about the various projects Eberechukwu Orji is personally funding across villages in the kingdom, but they are as well happy that they now have a leader and a custodian of the cultures of the land who is particular about improving the quality of lives of the people, ensuring social justice and attracting developments to the kingdom.
Yes, that is the type of class of human being that we need. Eberechukwu, Pastor Eberechukwu Orji he has shown that it's a light, making sure that Arochukwu exists as a peaceful kingdom it has always been, and tries to bring in development into Arochukwu.
The 50-year-old Eberechukwu Orji is a petroleum engineer with business and technical experience in the oil and gas industry spanning over 25 years and laced with a track record of excellence in leadership and service delivery. is also the choice of the Okenachi royal kindred, whose exclusive preserve is the provision of a monarch for the ancient kingdom, according to the customs and tradition of the land, as well as the Council of Traditional Rulers in Arochukwu Kingdom, Ndi Ezeogo, who have separately asked all Umuaro to support the young prince as the next Eze Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta,